Are you tired of dealing with a dusty, inefficient attic or pesky rodents invading your home? Hi there, we are California Attic and Build, San Diego's trusted partner for all your attic needs. We specialize in attic insulation, air sealing, rodent proofing, attic cleaning, and air duct replacement. Our expert team is dedicated to enhancing your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Serving San Diego, La Mesa, and surrounding areas, we ensure your attic space is clean, safe, and energy efficient. We offer comprehensive services, including crawl space cleaning, asbestos removal, rodent proofing, and air duct cleaning. Our eco-friendly approach improves your home's environmental footprint while ensuring your family's safety and comfort. Experience hassle-free attic maintenance and upgrades with us, starting with a free consultation. Our local expertise and commitment to quality make us the go-to choice for your attic needs. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers love us. We proudly hold a 5-star rating on Google. Having a high-star rating on Google means the world to us. It reflects our dedication to providing outstanding service and the trust our customers place in us. It's a testament to our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Ready to transform your attic space? Call California Attic and Build today, or visit our website for your free consultation. Let's make your attic the best it can be, together. California Attic and Build, your path to a cleaner, more efficient home. Thanks for watching.